The notes of the A string follow our same musical alphabet that our D string did. So like we've been talking about in class, we have A, open A, first finger is B, second finger in our red finger pattern is C sharp, third finger is D, and fourth finger is E. So A, B, C sharp, D, E. A, B, C, D, E, and backwards, E, D, C, B, and open A. So let's take a look at these on our music staff. I'm gonna move that viola over there for a second. And remember again, A string is your top string. We've been learning our D string, which has been in the top half of our staff. Get my markers here. Those have been, well, first of all, let's review our open strings. Okay, we have down here our open C string. It's way down there in the basement. That's our lowest note, way down there in the basement. Then we skip a space, and the next one is the G open string. Then after that, we skip one, go up to the next one. There's our D open string, and that's the one we've been playing on for the last month or two. And then we skip one and we go up one more, and our open A string sits right up there on top. Everything above it is going to be on our A string. So this has been, these notes right in here have been your D string notes. D, E, F, G. Okay, anything in this area here between this middle line up to the top line is going to be on your D string. Okay, so above that, anything that is above the staff in this area, from the A string up, any notes that are above here are going to be on your A string. It's really easy to know when you're looking at your staff what string you're supposed to be on, because if it's up here, then it's going to be your A string. And we have to have some extension notes to help us out, some ledger lines. Okay, so let's take a look at these. So we've got open A. There's our open. Then again, if we just wrote a note up here, it would just be floating, and it's really hard for our eyes to see. So we put a ledger line in, and we follow the same pattern as we do on the staff of space, line, space, line, space, line. So a space note, a line note, then another space note. This one has a sharp for now. And then we do have to add another line, so now we have two. So now we have two lines. Okay, so we have open A. We're doing our musical alphabet up. A, B, C sharp, D. Oh yes, and we have one more. We have our fourth finger note that sits way up on top there. It's E. Space, line, space, line, space. And you only draw ledger lines underneath when you're going up. We don't have to draw one above here or one above here or extra ledger lines, just the amount that we need. They're just extensions that we take out when we need to, like a ladder. So open, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. And those are the notes on the A string. Space, line, space, line, space. A, B, C sharp, D, E.